What's up, everybody? So for the last couple of years, all of the content on our channel has been edited using iMovie, and all of the GoPro footage has been shot from two main mounting locations, either a suction cup on the hood or the mount I have permanently attached here on our Rotopax on the driver's side. And so in an effort to improve the quality of the content on our channel, I am testing out some new editing software and also a new GoPro mounting location. So that is what this video is, but if you could give it a watch and let me know in the comments what you think of the editing and the footage, that would be awesome. Also, if you could leave in the comments on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you think drone footage improves the overall quality of videos for other overlanding and off-road channels that you watch? If they use a drone, does it greatly improve the overall quality, in your opinion? On a scale of 1 to 10, just leave that in the comments. Would really appreciate that, and I will see you guys in the next video.